In a field of flowers bright and gay, Leo and Lila went to play. They found colors bold and bright, red, yellow, and blue. What a sight! Red, blue, yellow, come and see. Colors here for you and me. Look around, what can you find? Colors of every kind. Red like apples, juicy and sweet. Red is the rose with petals so neat. Blue like the sky where birds fly high. Blue are the berries in a yummy pie. Red, blue, yellow, come and see. Colors here for you and me. Look around, what can you find? Colors of every kind. Yellow like the sun, shining so bright. Yellow are the daisies, oh what a sight. Green is the grass where we skip and hop. Green are the leaves at the very top. Red, blue, yellow, green, what fun. Colors shining in the sun. Look around, what can you find? Colors of every kind. White like the clouds floating way up high. White are the lilies reaching for the sky. Purple like the plums, juicy and sweet. Purple are the grapes, what a tasty treat. Red, blue, yellow, green, what fun. Colors shining in the sun. Look around, what can you find? Colors of every kind. Orange like carrots, crunchy and fun. Orange marigolds under the sun. Pink like blossoms, soft and light. Pink petals, such a pretty sight. Red, blue, yellow, green, what fun. Orange, pink, all under the sun. Look around, what can you find? Colors of every kind. Leo and Lila dancing along. Colors so bright in their happy song. Let's keep singing all day long with colors so bright in our song.